The lights drift deeper, guiding Caleb farther away. Caleb!
The swamp wakes up slowly, quiet, mysterious, and full of secrets. Deep in the swamp, one small family begins their day.
What a beautiful morning.
Let's go to the cabin!
All right, let's go.
Wow, the swamp looks magical today.
Morning, buddy. Beautiful day out here.
Stay close to the cabin, Caleb. The swamp can be tricky.
I just want to see the water. Look at the water, Caleb.
Yeah, it's full of life.
Whoa, go, whoa, bugs. Huh? What's that glowing thing? It looks like a floating lantern.
The strange light slowly moves, leading Caleb into the swamp.
Wait for me! I wonder where they're going.
The deeper Caleb walks, the quieter the swamp becomes.
Just a little farther.
All right, sweetie, but stay close.
This place is amazing, isn't it?
Mark, where's Caleb? Dad, the lights are moving.
What do you mean?
They're trying to show us something. He was just here.
Caleb, buddy! Caleb!
But the swamp answers only with silence.
These are Caleb's footprints. He went this way.
We need to find him fast.
Stay close. The ground can be dangerous.
I know, Mark. These roots are everywhere.
Just follow my steps. We'll be fine. You guys are pretty!
Caleb, wait! Where are you going?
To the lights! They're calling me! Okay, but be careful! Wow, so beautiful!
The lights drift deeper, guiding Caleb farther away. Caleb, wait! Don't go too far! Caleb, answer me! Caleb, where are you? Caleb, where are you?
Something moves beneath the water.
What is it?
I don't know, but we should be careful.
Let's move on, but stay alert.
What was that? Take back! Eliza, get to safety!
Whoa!
The The swamp reminds them it's full of danger. We can't stop now! We have to keep moving.
Caleb needs us. Uh-oh. Mark, I'm stuck!
Hold on!
I've got you!
I've got you.
It's really stuck.
Pull!
Thank you. The forest grows darker and quieter.
Okay.
Maybe Caleb followed that.
The lights drift like magical lanterns.
You're so cool. It's okay, Caleb. Look.
This is the best adventure! We're close!
Caleb.
A magical clearing appears in the swamp. Mom? Dad? Caleb! Eliza! Mark! We found you! This place is magical! It is! Let's go explore! Yeah, let's go!
You scared us.
Buddy, don't wander off like that. The lights brought me here! The magical lights begin drifting away. Maybe they were protecting him.
Or guiding him home. The swamp isn't scary anymore.
Let's go back to the cabin.
We'll see more on the way. The swamp returns to quiet once again. And somewhere in the swamp, the magic still glows.